Have you ever experienced ads popping up on your screen when using Chrome? Hi, we are the Tech Geek, and today we're going to show you how to turn off these annoying Chrome ad pop-ups. Before we get started, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel and comment down below what videos should we do next. So, why does this keep happening? The common cause of this is accidentally allowing notifications for unknown or malicious websites. So, to prevent this from a fundamental level, avoid allowing notifications for these websites. Otherwise, ad pop-ups will always plague your browser. So, how do you fix this problem? It's simple. Firstly, get into your Chrome browser. Click the three vertical dots on the top right corner and select Settings. In the search bar above, type Notification. Then click Site Settings. Scroll down and click Notifications. After that, scroll down to Allow Sites. For unknown websites, click the three vertical dots and select Block. And that's it! You now have a pop-up free computer. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any suggestions on what we should do next, feel free to comment down below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.